Good morning, guys, and happy Monday from your team here at Outer Banks this week. My name is Lexie, bringing you your weekly beach report from Jeanette's Pier this morning in Nags Head. It is currently sitting at about 80 degrees, and it is a scattered thunderstorm kind of day. It is starting to rain a little bit here right now, and it looks like we're just going to have scattered thunderstorms throughout the rest of the day and possibly throughout the week. As far as events go this week, we have got an awesome lineup of events, so let's get into some of those today. Today, the Shake Hatteras Music and Arts End of Summer Concert and Festival kicks off in the Tri-Villages in Hatteras. On Tuesday, the Pirates Cove Billfish Tournament kicks off and continues through Thursday. On Wednesday at the Artsy Octopus, they will be holding their Ocean Wave resin class, and it will also be Ladies' Night at the Outer Banks Brewing Station. On Thursday, the Nags Head 5K and 1 mile race series kicks off with the Outer Banks Running Company, and the Outer Banks Pirate Festival with Kitty Hawk Kites is also starting Thursday. That continues into Friday. And on Friday, BYOV, or Bring Your Own Vinyl, at Stormy Seas Bottle Shop is kicking off with their 80s and 90s vinyl night. On Saturday, Downtown Manio will be hosting their Manio Market, and Hot Sauce will also be playing at 1903. And on Sunday, to finish it all out, Buffalo City Distillery will be hosting a yard sale. Now, that is it for our week. If you're looking for any more information on the events that I just mentioned, or if you're looking for more info on more events going on this week, check us out at outerbanksthisweek.com. Have a great day.
outerbanksthisweek.com. Don't miss a thing.